Well, it was in my childhood days. Oh, Lord, a minute.
Good morning. I'm thinking this whole setup here should be a regular thing. I really like this. Anyway, have a coffee here, which is much needed, especially today. It's a Thursday. It's one of my busiest days of the week as far as class goes, but I think that's okay. It also brings chaos, which brings good content. That's just the way America works. So I start class in about 30 minutes, but I've been making some overnight oats, and someone actually asked me how to make them. This is like the sexiest breakfast alive. Also very easy if you consider the fact that you don't have to make it the day of as a benefit.
You know every Sunday morning, help me hang the family prayer, then to that old country wagon, all would feel, oh Lord, all would feel well.
Anyway, we'll see what the day brings. First class, philosophy. Starting to realize that I really like green. I just got back from philosophy. It is bitingly cold outside. I was walking to class at like 10:45 and all of a sudden just mucus dripped down my face. Ugh, it's the worst. We had really bad storms last night, so I'm assuming the weather is kind of an aftermath of that. But I have a few hours until my next class. I think I'm gonna make some hot chocolate, have a snack. I got some ballerina slippers. Not actual dancing slippers, but a style of shoe, and I'm so excited about them. So I'm 90% sure that's what's in this package. I got a pretty good deal for them. They're thrifted. I guess I'll just open this from the bottom. I mean, come on.
Amazing. Amazing. Amazing.
On another note, I received this. Today, it was taped to my door. I called my rental, is it an agency? Rental association? Group of rental people, and I told them that I wouldn't be living here next year, so now my apartment is available for showing. So there's one on Friday at 10 a.m. That's tragic. I'll have to figure out where to put Frank. It's really sad news because I love this place. Everything about it. It has a lot of character because it's so old. It's a historic building, so everything in it is how it was, I don't know, 100 years ago. I also think it comes with a lot of downsides, like I don't have a lot of amenities and it's very noisy, especially in my kitchen, and it's not very private. So I figured I had one more year to, I don't know, move around in a college town because there are a lot of different places to experience. I also really enjoy shopping for apartments, so that's like 25% of the reason that I'm looking. Anyway, my next class is communications, I think. It should be interesting. Hopefully the weather's a little nicer in a couple hours. Hi, I just got back from my last class. It's freezing. My hand is still thawing. Come here. You're so noisy. Ugh. Frank's so funny. He does this thing after he wakes up from a nap. I guess it's not intentional at all, but he'll have like, I don't know, spit in his throat. So when he meows, he'll be like, "Ugh." Anyway, I decided to get into the gym. I'm kind of exhausted. It's been a really long day of classes and work in between those classes. And I'm also gonna do a frozen meal for dinner, but it's semi-exciting because I haven't tried this. I'm trying out Daily Harvest's new, let me show you them. They're called Harvest Bakes, so it's just roasted veggies in a bowl, and you just pop them in the oven for like 30 minutes at a pretty high temperature, and they're really good, like caramelized, and yeah, we'll see how this one tastes.